So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to open up your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. You want to find the Microsoft Office folder. It's either going to be in Program Files or it's going to be in Program Files x86. For me, I have it in Program Files. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to find Microsoft Office. I'm going to open this up. You want to select your Office version. For me, it's going to be Office 16. You want to find OSPP Realm. Once you find this, you want to right click on it and then click on Run as Admin and then click on Yes. Just wait for this. Once that's been done, you want to repeat this another 2 times. Right click on it, Run as Admin and then click on Yes. Right click on it, Run as Admin and then click on Yes. Once you do that 3 times, you can now open up PowerPoint and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.